Some ideas are so counterintuitive that they feel like optical illusions for the mind. They look simple, but once you understand them, everyday reality shifts. Here are 5 brain-twisting science truths, explained in plain English. Part 5. The sun shines because particles, ghost, through walls. By classical physics, the sun's core isn't hot enough for protons to smash together often enough to power its glow. Yet the sun burns steadily for billions of years. The reason is quantum tunneling. At tiny scales, particles behave like smeared-out waves that can meet through barriers they shouldn't cross. In the core, 2 positively charged protons repel each other. Quantum tunneling lets them overlap anyway, fuse, and release energy. No tunneling, no sunlight. The calm daylight on your window is a daily quantum magic trick. There's no universal. Now, it feels like the whole universe shares the same present moment. Relativity says otherwise. If 2 events are far apart, different observers moving at different speeds won't agree on which happened first. There's no single cosmic clock that rules all places at once. Your now is local, defined by light signals that can reach you and the speed you're moving. This is why precision systems like GPS must correct for both motion and gravity. Time itself isn't uniform, it's woven into motion and location. The present tense is not a universal setting, it's a neighborhood rule. Step 3. You can duplicate a sphere without adding material. In math, the Banach Tarski paradox says you can cut a solid sphere into a few bizarre, dust-like pieces and rearrange them into 2 spheres the same size as the original. That sounds illegal. It is, physically. The trick uses infinities in pieces so pathological they can't exist as real matter. They rely on assuming you can pick points with unlimited precision. In the physical world, atoms, energy, and conservation laws stop the trick. The paradox isn't a recipe. It's a signpost that pure math and physical reality follow related but different rules. Number 2. Most of your mass is energy, not stuff. Jaya, MC2 isn't just a slogan. The mass of a proton isn't mainly from 3 tiny quarks inside. It comes from the energy of the quark's motion and the gluon field binding them. An energy storm trapped in a small space that shows up to us as mass. Even in nuclei, when separate atoms fuse, the final mass is less than the parts. The missing mass becomes released energy. Your body's weight is largely the bookkeeping of moving, binding energy. Solidness built from motion. Number 1. The arrow of time comes from unlikely order. The microscopic laws of physics mostly work the same forward or backward. Yet eggs break, they don't unbreak. Coffee cools, it doesn't uncool. The difference is entropy. There are many more ways for things to be disordered than ordered. The universe began in an extremely low entropy state, and things naturally drift toward more probable, messier arrangements. That's the arrow of time you feel. Time's flow isn't a push from behind. It's the odds stacked in favor of disorder ahead. Together, these ideas say, everyday life is built on quiet strangeness. The sun's calm light depends on quantum leaks. Your now depends on where and how you move. Math can outrun matter. Your mass is energy in a knot, and time's direction is a story about probability. Learn these once, and the world never looks ordinary again.